So here's the question everyone's whispering about. Is the next big tech war going to be fought by robots? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving straight into a robot showdown that feels like it was ripped out of a sci-fi script and dropped into real life. On one side, we've got Neo Gamma from the USA's 1X Technologies, a calm, quiet helper designed to live in your home, clean your kitchen, serve tea, and maybe even sing you happy birthday. It's not just smart, it's part of the family. And on the other, China's Unitree G1, a lightning-fast, fight-ready humanoid that's not folding towels, it's training for robot boxing matches in what's being hyped as the Iron Fist King Awakening. Yeah, that's a real thing. This isn't just about robots anymore. It's about two countries, two philosophies, and two very different visions of the future. This is USA versus China, and the battlefield is your living room. Let's get into it. Let's start with America's secret weapon, Neo Gamma. This robot isn't just cool to look at, it literally walked on stage and gave a TED Talk. Yes, a robot gave a TED Talk. Neo said, "What if labor became as abundant and easy as flipping a light switch?"
Now, what if I told you that the same is about to happen with labor? We are standing at the gates of a future where the work needed to build the products we use, the services we rely on, and even the chores in our homes will be as effortlessly accessible as energy is today.
Let that sink in. Neo Gamma is built by 1X Technologies, a Norwegian-born company now based in California and backed by OpenAI. And this machine, it's not here to impress you with flips or karate moves. It's here to help. Quietly, gently, efficiently. It can walk like a human, carry items, clean your house, serve guests, even help your aging parents get through the day. And it's already living in real homes, not labs, not test centers, actual homes of 1X employees. And here's the twist. It's not just doing pre-programmed tasks. Neo Gamma is learning. From people, from chaos, from real-life unpredictable moments like spilled juice, scattered toys, and surprise guests. This is the first robot that actually belongs in a home. Soft, safe, and eerily human in how it moves and adapts. Now here's what breaks the mold. Most folks figured humanoids would start in factories, do the boring, repetitive stuff, get smarter, then maybe come into homes later. But 1X tried that already and hit a wall. Turns out doing the same task every day doesn't make robots smarter, it makes them stuck. Just like people, robots need variety, messiness, challenge, so 1X flipped the script and brought the robots into homes first. And guess what? They started learning faster, way faster. The home, with its spilled cereal, cluttered shelves, and a dozen cups that all look different, became the perfect training ground. It's like the real-world version of the internet for robots, the kind of learning chaos that builds actual intelligence. Neo Gamma doesn't just follow instructions, it watches, adapts, and eventually does tasks on its own. And while it learns, it's also being remotely guided by real people, human operators, showing it how to do things correctly until it gets the hang of it. This is a robot that learns by living, and that's something we've never really seen before. Now swing the camera to the east. In Hangzhou, China, Unitree Robotics launched a humanoid that's not here for bedtime stories. It's here to train. Meet Unitree G1, and trust me, this robot is not playing. It's small, it's fast, it's got moves that belong in a martial arts movie, and it's being prepped for something called the Iron Fist King Awakening. Yes, a robot boxing match. Unitree G1 is already showing off dancing, kicking, punching, and balancing like a digital Jackie Chan. And while Neo is learning how to do dishes, G1 is learning how to throw hands. The robot comes with motion capture controls, remote command, and even voice activation, so you can direct it like a character in a game. But don't be fooled, this isn't a toy. Unitree has warned users that handling a humanoid isn't easy. It takes skill and it's built for performance. And here's the part that'll blow your mind. Unitree G1 is being offered for around $16,000. That's a fraction of what most humanoids cost right now. China isn't just building flashy tech, they're mass producing it. So what's really going on here? Neo Gamma and Unitree G1 aren't just different robots, they're philosophies in motion. The US strategy: bring robots into everyday life, help people, fill labor gaps, become companions, give us back our time. China's angle: push the edge of what robots can do, build machines that can fight, perform, move with speed and power, show strength, own the stage. Neo Gamma is the future of care and support. Unitree G1 is the future of performance and power. Both paths are revolutionary, but they're nothing alike. So now I want to hear from you. Would you bring Neo Gamma into your home? Let it handle your chores, walk your dog, and maybe even become part of your routine? Or are you leaning toward Unitree G1, the robot that could one day defend your home or star in a real-life boxing match? Because make no mistake, the robots are here, and whether they're helping you fold laundry or helping you win a fight, they're shaping the world we're about to live in. Let me know in the comments, are you Team Gamma or Team G1? And if you made it this far, you already know what to do. Hit like, smash that bell, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping tech breakdowns every single week. This was Technology X AI, and I'll see you in the future.